So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to disable your account here on the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right hand side of your screen and press on the U page. Once you're on the U page, go to the top right and press on the settings or the gear icon. Then go down towards his account and press on that. Once you're here, if you keep scrolling down towards his account management right here, there's two different options. There's disable account and delete account. If you were to go ahead and press disable an account right here, you can type in your password, press on OK, and then you can disable your account for the time being through Discord. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to disable your account here on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.